Industry, transport, trade and commerce are the classic areas of application for the proven Hensel MI distribution board system. These distribution boards consist of an insulation-enclosed box system with modular design for the assembly of type-tested low-voltage switchgear assemblies and distribution boards up to 630 ampere. In the next few minutes, we'll show you the use of the modular enclosure system to assemble secure and highly powerful distribution boards. It all starts with the design. In accordance with it, the required enclosures and components are put together. Naturally, any of these functional boxes could also be used individually. In the next stage, assembly is prepared. Once the lid and the covers have been removed, the required openings and outlets for the electrical connections are knocked out. Thanks to the respective predetermined knockouts, this is easy to do. We supply the high-quality enclosures with all kinds of different functions. For example, for fuses, meters, load breaker switches, or as mainline distribution boards, to name but a few. Naturally, enclosures are also available without equipping. For assembly of the enclosures, the openings for the wedges are also knocked out. Thanks to proven Hensel technology, the already equipped enclosures can be prepared for assembly in next to no time. Via these wedgings, several enclosures are combined to create a complete distribution board. Driving in of the wedge links results in good system rigidity. To collectively seal the combined enclosures, self-adhesive and precisely fitting gaskets are applied. The non-needed gasket strips are simply cut off. Work now continues with installation of flanges for the subsequent cable entry. These components are mounted with a wall bracket and 4 wedge links. The upper box fin of the enclosure is removed at all locations where cables need to be inserted from the front. Now the special cable insertion can be installed. This special component is not fixed in position with wedges, but with screws. For the installation of devices that need to be operated from the front, such as switches, push buttons or plugs, these so-called connection boxes are used. Mechanical connection with the system is now effected by means of the wedges already mentioned. Like all system enclosures, these connection boxes are made from polycarbonate, a high-quality thermoplastic, and are, depending on the concentration, resistant to acids, alkalis, petrol and mineral oils. In working operation, the distribution board is dust-proof and also protected against water jets according to IP65. For individual processing in the workshop or on-site, the way in which a material can be processed is of crucial importance. As you can see, there are no problems in this regard either. The enclosure configuration of the distribution board is ready. Now it's time for completion. In accordance with the design, equipment is installed. The sensible and practice-based configuration of the enclosures makes assembly a pleasure. The device can be clicked into place. It takes just a few quick movements to fix the DIN rail and the other items. Other devices for installation are fixed onto mounting plates with self-threading screws and are now completed. The wiring of devices is made by wiring strips with different cross sections. For this work, we provide a full range of bus bars, wiring strips and terminals. After the work is over, the lids can be fixed. The MI distribution board is ready for mounting on site. The distribution board can be mounted in all kinds of different ways to suit local conditions. The possibilities range from screwing the enclosure directly onto the mounting wall to fixing via mounting rails, external brackets and mounting frames. As you've seen, assembling a safe, high-quality distribution board system with the Hensel MI boxes is a cinch. Place your trust in the system and use the advantages of Hensel MI distribution.